Hey, what's up, what's up, what's up, my friends? Just pulled up to another house for the day. I am about to check this house out, make sure the guys did what they needed to do. Where's this thing at? So, I have to drop off a bathtub faucet fixture. And get this thing on over to my guys here in this house. As you guys can see, that's the house right there, right behind me, the nice white one there. I'm excited because this house is almost finished. So I'm gonna go in and see what the guys are doing. I think the plumbers are here. We got granite already installed. Also got the tile guys over here doing their thing. It's been so freaking cold that my what do you call these things? These white pipes in the ground. Sprinklers. Sprinkler guy hadn't been able to get over here and get this stuff done. So anyway, this is fine. Oh, look at this. This is kind of cool. So what we do, let's go in the master bedroom. Let me show you guys here. Look at this freaking ceiling. I love this ceiling. I don't even know, we have lights? Yeah, there's a little bit of light. We're gonna also have some LED lights, different color lights, in between all of this. So that's a little drop down ceiling and all that stuff is pretty awesome. We've got an accent wall over there. Guys had to paint, have to do some touch up paint and all that stuff. We had some texture issues that I needed the guys to fix. So anyways, we've got the fireplaces, double-sided fireplace. If you come over here, boom, look at that. You can see straight through there when nothing's inside of that. So on the other side of that, you guys will get a chance to see, it's where my square bathtub is gonna go. Look at that, boom. We got a nice shower here. Look at this, there's a lot of stuff. So I like little gadgets, you know, in my shower. So what we did was, we got regular shower head, boom. We got 3 body jets. Those feel good on the body. And then you got up here, we're gonna put a 20-inch shower head, rain head shower head up there. 20 inches of full-on body massage. So, anyways, it's pretty awesome. Look at this tile here. 3D tile as well. I matched it with the 3D tile that's, boom, down here as well. Boom, we put that there. Gray floor here, gray on the inside, and gray under here. So came out really looking really good. Right here is where my square bathtub is gonna go. And when I say square, it's completely square bathtub, 55 inches by 55 inches. Pretty large thing. We're gonna put right now we got a can light there for a couple of number of reasons, but we're gonna put a chandelier right there as well. Over here, let's go in here. Look at this closet, guys. Look at this closet. For all the people that are like me, that have tons of just shiz. This closet is awesome. You know, you got storage space galore. You got 12-foot ceilings. All this goes all the way up from, you know, the ceiling all the way down. We've got hanging space. We've got an island that's gonna go here as well in the middle. I mean, this is just, this space here, I think it's probably like a 15 by 14 size room. This is like another bedroom, but it's for your closet. So anyways, pretty awesome. Commode area right here, so you're not having to smell or look at anybody when they're doing their crapper. I'm excited. You guys get a chance to see some of the other part of the house. Let's go through, we're gonna walk through here, and then we're gonna go in here. This is a nice little game room area. We've got the game room area actually looks over all of the entryway. That's a steel door right there. Thanks Nancy for getting me hooked up. Nancy and your husband, Matthew, over there at Ironworks. We got the pretty large. This room is actually large. This room is probably about almost a 22 depth. Okay, I got a lot of spots because I'm having the guys touch up a lot of my texture because I didn't like the way they did it originally. But this is a media room, so it's gonna look pretty sick. Then you got 4 bedrooms upstairs. Then we got, let's go in the bathroom. Guys, you know, this is sick. Look at this bathroom here. This is a secondary bathroom. Let's see, we got some light. Look at this. Oh, no, we got no light in here. But dark countertop with the white cabinets. We got dark floor to match dark countertop. And then we got the dark accent wall to match the floor, which also matches the countertop. And then the white accent walls right there. Look, you don't get this kind of design anywhere else but in a cloud house. So you don't need to go anywhere else. Anyways, let's see. I'm gonna go in, let's take a look at this bathroom over here. Another bedroom. Every bedroom has a bathroom. Light, kind of tile. As you look at this tile, you can't really see. I'm gonna see if you can get it. We're gonna get up close. Look, looks like it's not like your normal tile. Looks like a lot of people ask me if that's like some kind of fabric. No, it's a fabric. It's a tile, but it's an expensive tile. But it looks good. It looks nice. It's flair, and that's what we're all about here. Anyways, let's go downstairs because I don't think some of you guys have even seen the kitchen area. We're gonna go downstairs. Going downstairs, boom, we're gonna have a big freaking chandelier right here. It's gonna be 40 inches wide by 100 inches in height. So it's gonna be really nice. The electricians are gonna hate me because they're all crystals. Probably has over 500 crystals on that thing, and they gotta put each and every one of them up. We got Mexico going in here. Woo! Oh! Oh! Love it. That's awesome. And then look, boom. Look at that backsplash right there. Guys, just finished this up. It's looking good. Like a nice details, details, details. And that's what we're all about here. Great island. All the other cabinets are white. Backsplash. Guys are working on the fireplace over there. It's just coming out looking nice as well. Let's go on over there and take a look. Again, just quality tile, quality job and work. Guys are taking their time. It's gonna look good. Okay? So, anyways, let's keep on going in. Okay, another path. Boom. Details. It's gotta look good. Should have looked good from the beginning. But if it doesn't look good from the beginning, I make sure it looks good before we finish. All right? So look at this tile here. Shower, boom. Freaking awesome shower. That shower tile right there matches this floor right here. And then we got two side walls in white to just make that shower kind of stand out. Countertops, white. Looks good. Another bedroom, boom. 12-foot ceilings in this house downstairs. Again, makes this house feel very large, which it is. It's over 5,000 square foot. Laundry room, tons of space, laundry. So anyways, I'm excited because this house is almost finished. We're talking probably another week and a half, and we'll be all wrapping it up. And hopefully it's warmer by then too. So anyway, signing off now. Oh, let me show you guys this. Look, this is a wine room. Wine room, we're gonna have broad wine racks in there. Pretty awesome. Area over here for storage on the shelves. Just really cool. Just really cool. I'm feeling very accomplished. Anyways, signing off. See you guys later. Have a freaking awesome day. Have a profitable week. And keep making some shiz happen. Oh, one more thing. Look at this ceiling. Boom. You don't get no basic in this house. Boom. Look at this. Boom. Look at this. Look at this. This is the square bathtub I was telling you guys about. You're gonna go in that master bathroom upstairs. Square, full out square, not rectangle. It's a square bathtub. It's nice, it's deep, it's comfortable. I might have to even try it once I'm done. Anyways, one other thing. We got the office space here. We're gonna have off cabinets, not cabinets, but bookshelves. They're gonna go all the way up to the ceiling. We need to put that granite in before we actually did that. But you guys, you see, quality. just constantly thinking about what we can do to make things happen here. Anyways, I'm gonna sign off for today, but you guys have a freaking phenomenal, awesome day, awesome week, and you know, if you got goals, you just need to go out there and do them. Stop thinking about it. Just freaking do it. Like Nike's commercial says, just do it. Anyways, don't think about it, be about it. Signing off.